Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Gonna learn about potential and kinetic energy. Potential energy is energy stored. Kinetic energy is energy in motion. Energy in motion.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Potential energy is energy stored. Potential energy is energy stored. Potential energy is energy stored.
No longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know.
Ooh, teacher, it's time for an experiment, teacher. For this experiment, you will need a binder clip, and some kind of tape, and maybe some glue, and something to cut my tape or glue with. Some kind of sturdy wooden arm or something like that. So I need to give my little binder clip some potential energy there, and then let it flick out, learning its potential energy. Kind of like that. And I'm going to try to flick my coin on here. I'm going to try to flick it onto a target.
You'll say?
As you can see, it's very difficult for me to get the potential energy held in my binder clip and transfer it to my coin with direction. So what I'm going to try to do is add some kind of arm here in order that my binder clip, the energy in my binder clip, can be thrown forward more efficiently. For this, I'm going to try to use this wooden stick. The wooden stick look a little bit long, so we're going to try to think of a way to cut it. Once my tape is on and my glue is just about stuck down like this, I can wrap my tape tightly around to keep it in. And now my lever is attached to my binder clip. I can now try to shoot my quarter. successful. But I wonder, how could I make my catapult stronger? Maybe give it more potential energy, perhaps with another binder clip, or maybe with a bigger binder clip, or maybe with a longer lever. What about accuracy? How can I get my binder clip to shoot my target better? Can I put a little cut here, or maybe find a better way to direct it? Think about the design process and how you're going to make your catapult better.